Hello and welcome to another video of time series forecasting. In this video I'm going to talk about some notation that I'm going to use in this class. So the first notation that I'm going to use is the notation of any variable y, its value at a time period t. I'm going to use this notation to describe an observation at time t. So for example, if this is your total sale in 1980, sales value at 1980, and we are using annual data, so yt will be equal to sales in 1980. And then we can represent other notation in reference to this t value. So yt minus 1 means it's the value of y variable at time t minus 1. So in the case of annual sales, it will be our sales value in 1979. Similarly, we can use the notation of yt minus 2, and that would be the value of yt 2 time periods ago. These values are called lag values because we have represented the lag values of this yt variable. Similarly, we can also represent the lead values of yt or y variable by using this notation. Yt plus 1 means this is the value of y in the time period t plus 1. And remember, time t is 1980 in this case, so that would be our total sales in 1981. Similarly, we can also represent sales in 1982 by yt plus 1. So these are called lead variables. So I'm going to use this notation to represent lags and lead variables. The next thing I'm going to talk about is called an information set. So remember, our forecasts will be based on whatever information we have up till that time period. So this is the variable yt, and this bar means given information set I. You can also write a t subscript here to represent this is the information available at time t. So sometimes people also denote information set by using this symbol omega. Nevertheless, the concept is same. It's the value of yt given the information that we have at time period t. So that's the second notation. And the third notation which is useful is, remember yt was the value of any variable at time t. Now whenever I put a hat on this variable, that will be our estimated or forecast for yt. So building on the same concept, yt plus 1 will be our forecast of a value at time t plus 1, and in this case that would be our forecasted value rather than the original value. We represent original values by yt. Putting a hat on top will make that value a forecast. So these are the three important notations that are important, especially at the beginning of the class, and I'll define more notations as we move in the course. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.